talk to someone, what do you notice first? The way they smile? How white are their teeth? That's because nowadays, having white teeth doesn't boost your aesthetic appearance, but it also boosts your self-confidence and self-worth as well. It's what helps you land a job, make a friends, and make a great first impression on anyone that you meet. But most of us follow a hectic schedule where we stain our teeth with soda, coffee, tea, or red wine. In case, if you have got your teeth discolored, you might find it hard to smile. What could be the solution? Don't overthink, we have you covered. Here are 6 ways for you to naturally whiten your teeth without the use of any harmful chemicals. Brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth daily is the most important thing to do to keep your teeth shining bright. It's especially important that you brush after consuming foods and drinks that can lead to yellow teeth. However, don't brush immediately after taking acidic foods or drinks because it might lead to erosion. Brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes at a time. Make sure you get into all of the cracks and crevices. Brush your teeth gently in the circular motion to ensure you are protecting your gums. To keep your smile some extra glamour, try using tooth whitening toothpaste. These kind of toothpaste use mild abrasive, which can help to keep remove touch stains from teeth surface. Apply coconut oil. This one may sound a little bit odd, but it actually works. Coconut oil can be done in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, and this removes bad bacteria. If applied daily, this can reduce plaque buildup and helps in teeth whitening. There are no specific studies that confirm the teeth whitening effect of coconut oil, but the people who use this technique are pleased with the result. Always shop for the high quality organic oil, which you can purchase online that doesn't contain harmful ingredients. Fruit and vegetable. Crunchy fruits and vegetables are known to rub up plaque from your teeth while you chew them. They are known to be very useful for your overall health. That's a win-win for you. Strawberries are the first food to consider when you want to naturally whiten your teeth. Strawberries contain malic acid, which is known to remove discoloration on your teeth and make them appear whitened. Pineapple, on the other hand, has an enzyme named bromelain. Effectively removes stain and is useful in overall tooth whitening. Limit sugar foods. You need to limit your consumption of red wine, tea, coffee, and sugary soda drinks that can cause teeth dullness. Also, keep in mind that you need to avoid smoking as nicotine is the main reason that will cause your teeth to look dull. Brush your teeth after you eat or drink anything. By doing this, you will be able to quickly remove any stains that have been left on your teeth by foods and beverages and keep your teeth as white as possible. Add calcium on your diet. Sometimes discoloration in your teeth is caused by the enamel eroding away that exposed as the dentin that lies beneath the enamel. Hence, this leads to teeth turning yellowish or brownish. All you need to do is to consume calcium-rich food such as cheese and milk that can help your tooth enamel from eroding. Brush your tongue. Your mouth is one of the places most prone to bacteria because it's dark, warm, and wet. creating a perfect environment for bacteria to live and feed off of leftover food particles. In fact, there are billions of bacteria living in your mouth right now, on your teeth and tongue. It might not sound like it would do anything, but brushing your tongue can also actually keep your teeth white. Many people aren't aware that bacteria are accumulated on the tongue will gradually transfer over the teeth, sometimes causing them to be stained over time. By brushing your tongue, you will be able to limit this potential problem. Go to the dentist. If none of those mentioned above remedies seem to work to you and your teeth are continually becoming more and more yellowish, it might be time to let a professional handle this. A dentist indicates a code. Professional whitening treatments can be safe and effectively for expensive and expeditious plans. Some people do experience side effects, such as inflammation of the gums and temporary tooth sensitivity, which affect anywhere from 8% to 41% of people. All forms of teeth whitening can cause temporary sensitivity, which will go away on its own after a few days or weeks. If your teeth health and color don't seem to be repairable, dental implants could be the way to go. Dental implants are metal pods that are meant to hold artificial teeth replacement on them.